Right. So now we are going to talk about cell membrane proteins. Okay? And there are multiple different sorts of proteins that are part of the cell membrane, and they are either embedded in the phospholipid bilayer, मतलब जो phospholipid bilayer का जो structure है उसके अंदर they are merged या part of it, या just freely move about above or below the layer, मतलब they are associated with the layer, या तो layer की underside या ऊपर वाली outside, and they freely move around alongside the layer. So there are integral proteins which are permanently embedded in the membrane, and then there are peripheral proteins which have a temporary association with the membrane and are present on the surface. ठीक है, अब ये नीचे वाली सरफेस भी हो सकती है या ऊपर बाहर वाली सरफेस भी हो सकती है. So they basically transport molecules or ions across the biological membranes, and there are two types. There's the carrier protein and there's the pore protein. So cell adhesion proteins, जो कि और भी मतलब this is another type of proteins that are associated with the phospholipid bilayer. They enable cells to make tight connections to one another, and they may play a part in the immune response as well. Then you have channel proteins, which allow ions and large molecules to pass through the membrane by diffusion. And then you have a certain sort of protein called a protein pump, which move ions across the membrane to create and maintain concentration gradients. Okay? And these specific sort of protein pumps, they require energy to carry out this form of transport, which is called active transport. Right? फिर आपके पास आ जाते हैं हार्मोन बाइंडिंग साइट्स या हार्मोन रिसेप्टर्स. ठीक है ना, विच बाइंड टू स्पेसिफिक हार्मोन्स, और हार्मोन से बाइंड करके दे स्टार्ट अ सिग्नलिंग प्रोसेस सेल के अंदर, जिसकी वजह से सेल का स्पेसिफिक बिहेवियर इन रिस्पॉन्स टू दैट हार्मोन बदल जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंसुलिन जब आता है तो आपका सेल जो है वो ज़्यादा ग्लूकोज अब्जॉर्ब करना शुरू हो जाता है अपनी पेरिफेरल एनवायरनमेंट से. ठीक है. Then you have glycoproteins, which are basically a complex of protein and carbohydrate. And the carbohydrate could be like an oligosaccharide chain, जो कि प्रोटीन के साथ लगी हुई होती है. And they play a role in the transport of